How to fix Excel file won't open issue on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Excel file won't open issue in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Excel file. So for example, I'll just simply choose a file from my file manager. So once you have your Excel file, just click on it and then right click on it and go with show more options, go with properties. Now under properties, make sure that you're under the security tab. And if you've blocked, then you will have an option of unblock on the bottom right. You just need to simply go with unblock. You may also have that option on your general section. Here on the bottom, you will have security. And on the right side, you may have unblock. Just click on unblock and then go with apply and OK. But if you don't have that option or if this doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution. You can open up your Excel. Once you open, now go with options, which is on the bottom left, and go with the Trust Center option. Go with the right side, which has Trust Center settings, and then go with Protected View and uncheck all of these options. And after that, click on OK, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.